Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do kind of a Temu unboxing of a painting I purchased through Temu, and this is my second Senterwan painting. I always feel like I mispronounce it. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. So, yeah, I've only purchased 3 Senterwan paintings because they were on a lightning deal. I showed my first one, I believe, last week. This week, I was really excited to show my second one. So, I did get all of these, I believe I stated before, through a lightning deal. So, that's probably one of the main reasons why I bought them, because they were kind of discounted. And this image painting, I actually had to really look around for it because I had seen it before. It was a previous kind of suggestion that Temu had given me, and I remembered the image, but when I started looking for it, I couldn't find it, so I had to really dig around, and luckily I had found it. And Senterwan paintings always come in these really sturdy bags. They don't get delivered this way. Of course, they get delivered in a really large mailer, since they're kind of long paintings. And the bag, apologies, is really sturdy, and I really like that. I love the bag. It's real easy to store everything back if you decide to put the painting aside. I'm a big fan of that. And it's a resealable, so as you probably saw me open it, and it's the painting wonderful diamonds. We'll see those in a moment. And their little toolkit. I call it a toolkit. I don't think it has an actual title. I just call it a toolkit. Or a little bag of accessories. Well, I kind of like that. Let me put this aside real quick. And let's look in the little bag. So it does come with these kind of little... They feel like cloth, kind of like linen bags. And they are drawstrings. So you can always just open it. And it's a really sturdy material. I'm a big fan of it. I always think of Craftedly every time I see these. Apologies, that's another diamond painting brand. And let me just pull everything out. I believe I feel the pens in here. And yep, that's it. So their kit is pretty standard. It has 2 pens, which is... They just have a multi-placer or another pen that you can be switching out. But of course, you can always switch out with just the standard pens. It's not an issue. And it has a 3... Oh goodness, actually before I go through all of those, comes with your squishy little pencil holder. And you can just slide it through. And if you prefer using standard pens, it's really helpful for comfort whenever, if you're painting for hours. Like we all do. And it does have multi-placers. And apologies, the tweezers kind of got stuck. I'll take care of that in a moment. And these were interesting the first time I saw them. Ooh, those tweezers are really in there. They're a little curved. As you can probably see, I'm trying to see if I can get a better shot. They're curved over. And it is, I've already tried one. It is a little comfortable when you're placing, because you don't really have to be placing straight on the painting. You can kind of place on an angle, and the little multi-placer covers the rest. It's pretty neat. The first time I ever saw these. And they're really useful. And this is a 6. This is a 9, I believe. Yes, it's a... Oop, I had it upside down. It's a 6 and a 9 and a 3 that's also curved. And there's also the standard straight one. So if you're more comfortable with these, I love 3s. Yeah, these are the first multi-placers I used. So I'm still a fan of these. And I've already tried the curved one. It does work fine, but I prefer my straight ones. And they do fit all of these standard pens. And I've also tried them on my more fancier pens. They also work as well, just in case the standard isn't your cup of tea. So it comes with your little kind of squares of wax. I really love this purple wax. I do really use it a lot, especially for multi-placing. For when it dries clear, so you don't really see it on the diamonds. I've never had an issue with it. Love this wax. And it has tweezers, which I think I can get them out of the kit. I'm sorry, out of the tray. And here we go. So it has a little, they're kind of a little blunt, but still be careful, because sometimes they'll catch you. And they're good if you have to remove diamonds or move them. It has a little kind of band on it so you can keep them closed if you're going to save them on the side. And it has your little tray. Oh my goodness, it's so small and cute. I've used this tray already. It's real sturdy and it does line up all the diamonds really well, so that's I'm a big fan of it. And on the corner, it has a little spout. So once you're already done with the diamonds, you can always just pour them out and you don't have to worry about having, turn the whole tray or anything like that. I really do like these trays. And I love that it's purple. I believe their company color, is purple. I'm assuming because everything's purple. So let me put everything in the bag real quick. And I do love the size of the bag. I am using the other one I had for some other items I have. I love how large these little bags are. I'm a big fan of them. Put that aside. And this is the canvas. So the canvas is rolled up in a foam roller. That's why it has this shape. If I can kind of turn it, as you can see, it has a little foam roller in it. And so they are taped down. I always forget about that. So there's a tape on each end. So let me get a pair of scissors real quick. I forgot that it does that. So give me one moment. I'm going to try to cut it really carefully because I'm worried. It's more of my worry than anything that I'll accidentally cut the canvas. Which I did not last time. Oh my goodness, I shouldn't say that. I'm going to jinx myself. So I already got one end. I'm just kind of running the scissors over just so I don't, and I'm sure there's probably another way to remove the tape, but I haven't figured it out. And voila, there we go. And I really do like that. Let's keep it sturdy and make sure the painting isn't unrolling or anything like that, especially when with shipping, since it's always moving around. I'm a big fan of that. So you can unfurl it from the foam roller. Ooh, see a diamond in there. Really random diamond. Let me put that aside real quick. It's so random. It's all hidden in there. And as you can see, it's a little foam roller. I really like these. And let me put that aside real quick. And this is the painting. It's going to keep curling up because you all saw how tightly it was rolled up on the roller. So let me just try to roll it opposite way just to kind of get it to kind of not curl up so much. Because if it keeps rolling up, I'm not going to be able to, we're all not going to be able to see the image too well. Ooh, apologies. It is a real sturdy canvas. Apologies. I keep thinking it's more of a nylon style. It's real shiny. It's really soft. And it's real nice to be holding in your hands. As you can probably see, and you can probably hear, it's kind of, it feels like, I'm not sure. I don't want to say fennel. Fennel? No, fleece. Sorry. Wow, why did I say fennel? It's really soft and smooth. And the shine on it, as I said, it makes me think of nylon. And it's real sturdy. It's a real sturdy canvas, as you probably see me pulling it. I'm trying to straighten it, but it keeps going back. The edges are scalloped, and it has a little punch hole, that I believe it's done whenever it's printed. And the punch holes and the scallop it helps the canvas from fraying on the end. I love when they do that style, and it looks real nice when you hang it on the wall. And this is the image. It's a beautiful tree with a whole bunch of lights in it. And around the back of it, as you can see, is little buildings with other trees in the back. I fell in love when I first saw this image. So that's why I really, really wanted to find it when I was actually going to start ordering through a Senterwan painting. So that's why I was really excited when I found it again. And I love the hook, color effect, and all of that. I believe it might have special diamonds. Usually Senterwan paintings do. And the canvas is really, really sturdy. As you can probably see me really trying to get it to settle. But it's kind of settling on its own since I'm leaving it laying down for a bit. And the other painting I'd opened before, I'm having it hanging on the side of my shelves. It just ended up straight really, really perfectly. So I'm not going to have any issues when I start painting it. So some information about the canvas. On the top part of the canvas, it has the name of the company, Senterwan, and on the top left and the lower right, it's the legends, which I really love that because I always spin around my paintings when I'm painting. At the bottom left, it has the information about the canvas. This painting is a 45 by 45 centimeters or a 17.7 by 17.7 inches, and it is a round shaped diamond with 38 colors and includes 2 ABs. I love that they state it. So, because sometimes I forget, and I love that it says it here. Because on the legend, it really kind of doesn't mark it differently if it's an AB. It just gives you the DMC numbers, which I'm a big fan of because it does make it easier if you store your diamonds. And this painting is considered a pro level, and it contains 19,881 diamonds. I love they do that too, because I've been currently, anytime I've been completing paintings, I love getting the total number of diamonds that in theory I've placed. Yeah, that makes sense. So for the legend, and my apologies to be here a cart passing. It's the middle of the afternoon and they want to race. As you can see, the legend, as I said, it is 38 colors and numbers 1 through 8. I thought it was 9. No, it's 1 through 7. They're in numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2. Oh no, I was correct. It's 8. That blue kind of threw me off because of the reflection from the light. And from 9 all the way to 26, they are in capitalized letters. And from 26 all the way to 36, no, 38, sorry. They're all special symbols, which kind of makes sense. It's 38 numbers, so it makes sense why there's symbols as well. I do like that they're kind of in order. They're not just kind of thrown all over the place, which I'm not a big fan of when legends do that, but I do love that everything's in order. It makes it easier whenever I'm looking up, ooh, what color was that? Just if I just look at the symbol. My goodness, I really love this painting. I keep looking at it. And just on the lower lower left corner. Why did I say light? It's the tree. It has the barcode and the number. I believe they use them whenever scanning to look for organizing the canvases. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I'm going to keep it laying here. Since it's a smaller painting, let me move my trays out of the side real quick. Sorry about that. I didn't know that the painting, I believed it was more horizontal than vertical. So that's a little, it surprised me a bit that it's reaching where I have my trays, but it's fine. 45 by 45 is not a bad size. I really like this painting. And so these are the diamonds. So let's locate the 2 ABs and we can see where they go. So I've opened the other diamonds before. I actually tried to see, I want to see how the diamonds look if I place them down. I did try to place them down in the corner of the painting. The shine on these are really, really nice, as you can probably see, and I love all the colors. They are really fitting for the tree. All the browns, the dark blue. You see one of the ABs. Oh, actually, you see both ABs. And I really love the colors of these. And they're already kitted up, meaning they're already all organized and good for you just to work out of resealable bags, especially if that's your style. You can just grab a color and start working on it. I'm not too sure if I am brave enough to try to do that because I usually don't use resealable bags. But it's 38 colors, but that's still kind of a lot. I'll keep you all posted when I actually start on this painting. I'll let y'all know if I decided that's done. So the 2 AB diamonds, I see it here. One is this wonderful yellow, and the other one is kind of this gray white. Apologies, I almost pulled the wrong color out. I'm gonna try real hard not to get them out of order. I'll put these 2 at the end, so I know they're the purple girls. Excuse me. So I'm gonna put them aside, and these are the 2 ABs. So you can see it's a nice kind of banana cream yellow. I always call it that. I love the shine on the ABs. And I've seen one of these paintings completed. Not this one specifically, but another center one. I really love how it looks. Ooh, that's real pretty. And this is the white. As you can see, the little AB shine on it. So number 28 would be symbol. Well, looks like a diamond. And it's all over the tree. I'm actually seeing it here. This little one here. It's all spread out through the tree, which makes sense. The color is matching. So anywhere you see kind of a more lighter yellow, you can see some here. You can see some here in the branches. It's really sporadic. It's pretty much all over the tree, all over the trees in the background as well. And I believe there's some, yeah, there's some in the water. As you can probably see, let me move the painting up. The tree is being reflective on the water. And some of these ABs are there as well. Oh my goodness, isn't it be sparkle everywhere? Oh, I'm really excited about this painting. I'm a big fan of it. And for number 30, it would be symbol. Oh, it's the and symbol. So it's the nice white color, and I believe it might be on the tree. Ooh, now I really have to look for it. There are some spots that are white, but I'm not too sure if that's where this AB will go. Ooh, I should have probably checked off camera. Well, I actually have not opened, this is the first time I've opened the painting, so we're all seeing just how wonderful this painting is together. And I don't believe it's a large spot. There's not that many ABs of this color. I'm trying to see if I can locate it. And the drill field is really clear. As you can probably see, the lighter color has a darker color. For the symbols, and the darker coloring has a lighter tone on it. I'm a big fan. I love when they do that because it makes the field really clear and you can see it, especially if you decide not to paint with a light pad. You can, you wouldn't need it to kind of highlight some of the darker colors. I have been trying to work without a light pad so much, so my eyes have been, kind of getting used to it, but if it's still kind of too dark for you, I would recommend a light pad. Oh my goodness, I am really trying to find this color. I really think it's in the tree, but I can't locate it. I need to really paint and see if I can find it. I believe it's here in the trees on this part. I thought maybe by the reflection of the water, the trees in the background, or in the middle of the tree, actually, that's what I was thinking. Oh my goodness, this color loves to hide. So I apologize, I don't want to be here for almost half an hour trying to locate it. But it looks like some of the symbols that kind of look like it are here on the edge of the tree. Kind of seeing, they're really sporadic. There's one around here, one around over here. Yeah, they're spread everywhere, which makes sense because the edges of the tree are white. They kind of make me think of clouds. Yeah, it goes out. It's helping assist lining the tree edges. Oh, that is so neat. It's going to be more really yellow sparkle in the middle, white sparkle on the outside. Oh, I'm a big fan of that. Oh, I really do want to work on this painting, but I have to finish a whole bunch more before I start working on this. So, yeah, that's all I really wanted to show today. Apologies that it took me kind of long to try to locate that color. But it's kind of just spread all over. It's not in one section specifically, so as I said, when I start painting, I really have to focus on it. So, but yeah, this is my second Senterwan painting. And this one is a round. My last one that I chose is actually a square. And I actually picked that one specifically for an event I'm going to do next year. So, stay tuned for that unboxing. Any information for this painting, I'll make sure to put in the description below. In case, the style of painting, you'd want to have it. Apologies, I couldn't figure out the wording for that. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps my channel be put out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.